Hello, this is Shashikant and today I'm going to unbox OnePlus Nord CE 3 Lite. It is largely similar to its predecessor but offers some improvement in audio setup, charging capabilities and the primary camera resolution. That is manufactured by Oppo Mobiles. So let's see what's inside the box. The OnePlus Nord CE 2 Lite was among the best budget-friendly 5G phones last year. It offered users a couple of premium features like a 120Hz display, a 64-megapixel primary camera and the large battery with wired fast charging at a rather attractive price. This is the base model I purchased from Amazon for 19,999 rupees. Inside the box I have got this silicone cover, a red Cable Club card and OnePlus Nord stickers. Inside I have found some leaflets and documents. It is kind of quick user manual. As you can see, we have got one SIM ejector tool and we have got a brand new phone with Pastel Lime back. And we've got a charger and its cable. The phone is powered by a 5000 mAh battery, which is slowly becoming the norm nowadays. OnePlus continues to ship with the chargers and this one comes with SuperVOOC Endurance Edition charger. The OnePlus Nord CE 3 Lite 5G ships in what seems to be the color of season, a very bright shade of lime sorbet. Apart from this pastel lime option, there is a more serious looking chromatic grey if that's your thing. There is a massive 6.72-inch Full HD display, but alas, it's LCD and not AMOLED. The screen resolution of 1800 into 2400 pixels and supports 120Hz refresh rate. The display is capable of adjusting refresh rate between 30Hz to 120Hz based on the content consumed. The screen has a peak brightness of 680 nits, making the screen visible outdoors comfortably. The Nord CE 3 Lite 5G features 3 rear cameras, with the main camera being 108 megapixels. The second sensor is a 2 megapixel micro lens, and the third sensor is a 2 megapixel depth sensor. The phone misses out on an ultra wide lens. This phone does not have the alert slider that OnePlus has been known for its mobiles. It might not be a deal breaker but seems to be part of the cost cutting that OnePlus has done for these models. Over on the front, the OnePlus Nord CE 3 Lite has a flat display with a central hole punch cutout for the selfie shoot and substantial bezels on the top and bottom, typically of a budget device. The phone has flat edges that gives it a comfortable grip, and it features a power button on the right side that doubles up as a fingerprint scanner, a volume rocker and SIM tray on the left, and a USB-C port and 3.5mm headphone jack at the bottom. This phone looks rather premium thanks to its design, but it doesn't that way due to the plastic frame and back panel. The glossy mirror finish on the back panel looks great out of the box, but it's a dust magnet and easily picks up scratches, so a case is absolutely necessary if you plan on buying this phone. That's all for now, and thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe.